Today, I would like to show you how to earn money from walking with top 5 apps that pay you to walk. Really, this is the really awesome video. It's going to be, I'm going to show you 5 websites, 5 apps that you can use to earn money just by walking. But simply, you can walk, you can earn. You walk daily, why not earn some pocket money with that? So simply, without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the first app, which is called sweatcoins. The address is sweatco.in. So this is the website. This is for the app, sweatcoin app. You simply go to this and submit your email, and then you will get the apps, and you will start installing, and you can start using it without any wasting any of your time. So simply, this is a really good app to start off with walking, and you can earn money, as they say it pays to work. So if you just go over to their help sections of sweatcoin, you can see that everything about, you can learn more about how this app performs and what sweatcoin is. This is a cryptocurrency coin that can be exchanged in exchanges to convert into a fiat currency, that which is like a dollar or anything, or you can convert it also in crypto, which are right now transacted on market. So simply, if you scroll down, you can see that they have also App Store and Google Play app. So if you have an iPhone or Android phone, you can work with these apps without any problem. So if you just scroll to their frequently asked questions sections, you can see that how does sweatcoin works. You can read it, you can learn more about it, but simply how much you are going to get for walking. So one coin is like for half a mile walk. So if you walk like half a mile, you will earn around one coin. So it's like 1000 outdoor steps, so that represents half a mile of walk. It will give you something like 0.95 sweat coins. So simply, this is the thing, and it will get going, and it will be something good for you in the future, definitely. So if you know about crypto, you already know how powerful crypto currently is. So if you are holding some crypto, there is a great chance that it will turn into double or triple your money in very near future. So simply, why not try this? So this not like much, but simply you can avail this, you can use this, and you can in combinations of all the apps that I want to show in this video, in combination you will get some good amount of money. So the second app that today I'm going to show you, which is called betterpoints.ltd. So this is the domain, which is betterpoints ltd. Is the betterpoints also a crypto coin, so which is really good, and this they have an apps to work and earn that coin. So simply, you just go through their websites, you can see, you can read more about this, and you can simply go to their apps sections and click on that, and you can see that they have both Android and Apple app. So simply, you can install it and download the app, join the program, and have fun and have a good amount of earnings. And simply, all these earnings, it's more like, not like earnings, it's something like you can earn those points and you can convert them into some discounts or some offers or something like that as well. So why not you cut the bills of your shopping? So simply, this is a good way to start. So the third apps that I have to show in this video is called winwalk app. So this is the site address is winwalk.app, and this is a pedometer, winwalk, walk, sweat, and win e-gift card. So simply, this is the main goal, and you can simply Android and use your Android phone. They do not support right now Apple phones. So simply, if we have a Android phone, you can install it and you can use it to earn a decent amount of coins. So I forget to mention, the better points have like you have to walk like 1 mile to win a ticket. It's a lottery ticket, and every day they lottery it and give 500 coins to the winner. So simply you just work regularly, win some tickets, and definitely you will going to win every now and then with them, and you can get that coin. So in the winwalk app, you can see that these apps is only supported by Android, but simply the steps they're going to give you some coins, and for that winwalk coin you have to like walk like 100 steps, and 100 steps going to give you one coin. So if you walk like 10,000 steps, and then you can get 100 coins per day, and that's the limit. So if you walk like 10,000 steps daily, which is really hard to achieve daily, but you can get 1,000 steps, 2,000 steps really easy. So getting those coins daily and accumulate it, and at the end of the month it will be some good amount to have. And so simply I'm going to show you the fourth apps, that is called lifecoin. This is the lifecoin app, which address is lifecoin.ai. This is the app that supports both Android and Apple phone. You can install it and use it any way you like. So simply you just walk, you can see that you can just turn daily walks into mining sessions. Then so when you work regularly, this app's going to mine lifecoin for you, and when you get some amount of lifecoin, you can exchange it to some gift cards, also some PayPal. You can convert it to PayPal dollar as well. Also provide some valuable gifts, cards, and products like Apple iPhone. So simply you can start using this app and you can start earning money. So how much you going to earn for working? So for getting one lifecoin, you have to walk like 1,000 steps daily. So for every 1,000 steps you are going to make one lifecoin, and that's it. You can earn a decent amount of money just using app. And 1,000 steps, it may seem a good number, but don't worry. You simply walk some 1 mile, you can see that you already stepping like 2,000 steps. So simply this is what we do every day. So the fifth apps that today I'm going to show you, which is called, it's not like a earning app, but it's like charity. So charitymiles.org. So this is the app which provides charity features. So simply you just download the app, go to charitymiles.org and download the app, install it, and start working with these apps. But this app is different from all other 4 apps. So it's like a donation app. You simply work for others. Why not work for others? Simply it's for the good cause. They provide people who want to do some changes, who want to change for something good, and for that good cause they go to the charity miles, and peoples are supporting that cause. If you just go through those charity causes and you like them, why not they just don't want your direct money, direct donations. They just simply want to use these apps, and you do what you are already doing. So you working every day, you work for exercise, you work to your office. So why not just do some charity work for that? So they want you to work and they get money for them. But the catch is that just simply you can also go do some good works, so you can ask people's charity. So if you want to do something to change the social problems, and so change anything for the good, you can just simply submit that on these websites, and you can ask for your friends and families, and they will definitely support you. So simply they can give that money to you by just using these apps and working. So simply this is the way. It's a good thing. You do work daily, so why not use all these apps daily and earn a decent amount of pocket money, whether you working for your shopping, you working for your jobs, you working for exercise to keep you a healthy life. So simply why not earn money with this is not going to make you rich, but simply you can get these apps on your phone, and you do not have to worry about anything. It will automatically track your working and get some points, and you get some coins. And you cannot imagine, if you are not a crypto guy, a crypto persons, you can't imagine how crypto world is booming. So holding one crypto can make you lots of money in near future. So it's may not worth much right now, but simply holding those coins, and in the real near future you can access it in for thousands of dollars without any problem. And this is reality. So why not try that? If you are liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.